Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a Roth IRA online. So first go to Google and search for Fidelity, then tap the link that says Fidelity Investments. And once you're on the page, tap on Open an Account. Then tap it again on the next screen. Now select the option that says Open a Roth IRA. And then it will ask if you're already a Fidelity customer. So since I'm not a customer, I'm going to tap no, then hit next. So from here, just fill out the form. It's pretty straightforward. And once that's done, go to your dashboard, click on transfer, then connect your bank account. You can also set up monthly recurring deposits. That part's up to you. And then depending on how much you want to invest each month in 2025. For the rest of this year, you can contribute up to $7,000 if you're under 50 or $8,000 if you're over 50. So after that, you can start buying assets that grow over time. So some good options are FXAIX or VOO or IVV. So any of those work great. So if you keep maxing out your Roth IRA every year for the next 40 years with average returns, you can end up with around $3 million. And that's it. Super simple. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.